What is radioactivity? Radioactivity is the emission of ionizing radiation or particles caused by the spontaneous disintegration of atomic nuclei. Who discovered radiation? No, not him. This guy with the killer goatee. In 1896, Henry Becquerel discovered that uranium salts emitted rays that resembled X-rays in their penetrating power. He demonstrated this radiation, unlike phosphorescence, did not depend on an external source of energy, but seemed to arise spontaneously from uranium itself. What is radioactive decay and why is it important? This is a piece of uranium in a cloud chamber. You can see it decay and emit bits of radiation. Radioactive decay is the spontaneous breakdown of an atomic nucleus, resulting in the release of energy and matter from the nucleus. Does radiation do anything good? Well, Spider-Man was bitten by a radioactive spider. And this guy was created by gamma radiation so he could punch Kanye. And Godzilla was an ancient prehistoric monster awakened by radiation from an atom bomb. But in real life, radiation is used to treat cancer, and it saved millions of people's lives. What is a nuclear reaction? In nuclear physics and nuclear chemistry, a nuclear reaction is the process in which two nuclei, or else a nucleus of an atom, and subatomic particles, such as a proton, neutron, or high-energy electron from outside the atom, collide to produce one or more nuclei that are different from the nuclei that began the process. One kind of nuclear reaction is when atoms split into smaller atoms. The process is called nuclear fission. Nuclear reactions occur in the sun, in nuclear reactors, in particle accelerators, and in outer space. Other than radioactive decay, very few nuclear reactions occur on Earth, except for in these special places. If you just split one atom, it only gives a small amount of energy. If you split a lot, it can give up to a lot of energy. What is a nuclear chain reaction? A nuclear chain reaction is a nuclear reaction in which an atom, such as uranium or plutonium, splits, and the neutrons released by the fissioning of that atom strike and split other heavy atoms, which as a result hit other ones after another after another. Chain reactions are the main way of getting nuclear energy. A nuclear power plant is a thermal power station in which the heat source is a nuclear reactor to create a controlled nuclear chain reaction. The reactor slows the reaction rate using cooling rods. This process makes steam, which turns turbines, which makes electricity. One of the main problems with nuclear reactors is that they can melt down or explode. Fast chain reactions can make a nuclear explosion, which can ruin everyone's day. What is a nuclear weapon? A nuclear weapon is an explosive device that derives its destructive force from nuclear reactions, either fission, a fission bomb, or a combination of fission and fusion, a thermonuclear. Both reactions release vast quantities of energy from relatively small amounts of matter. What is ionizing radiation? Nuclear reactions make ionizing radiation that is harmful to life. This is called fallout. And when fallout happens, we have to wander the wasteland with our dog and spend all day fighting mutants. And that's not fun. The end.